We're here at Matsuda Farm on Vashon Island. Artisan Electric just finished an installation of a Geoballast system. This is one of our first ground mount systems of this type. It's held down by ballast, by rocks specifically, instead of penetrating into the ground and pouring concrete forms to hold down the system. Really excited about that technology. We're also excited about the types of panels that we used. These are LG Neon R panels, and they're AC modules. The microinverter is actually mounted on the panel itself. So this is factory installed LG microinverters. And that makes this easier to install. We're not installing two separate units, just one. Another really interesting thing about this system is that all of the connections are on the back of the panel. So all of the busing is on the back, whereas the front has no wires on it. 99% of panels on the market have wiring on the front. This is one of the highest efficiency panels on the market right now. And part of how they are able to do that is to eliminate the busing on the front, put it on the back.